In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule daily routines in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have simple, checkable items on your calendar that help you build habits without cluttering your day. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're viewing your week. The week view gives you a realistic snapshot of your mornings, afternoons, and evenings, which makes it easier to place routines where they'll actually fit. It also helps you spot open pockets of time so you can avoid overloading any one part of the day. Next, switch to the Tasks view. Look toward the set of view buttons near the top of Calendar and choose Tasks. This shifts you from scheduling full events to managing to-dos that can live on specific dates. Think of events as appointments that take up room on your calendar, while tasks are small commitments you can check off. For daily routines, tasks are perfect because they stay lightweight and still remain visible in your schedule. Click Add to create your routine. This opens a small panel where you'll set everything up. Keep your routine title short and action-focused so it's easy to recognize at a glance. For example, use phrases like morning stretch, plan the day, or read for 20 minutes. Clear titles help you stay consistent, and the first words are what you'll see on your calendar, so make them count. Now add a deadline, pick the date, then enter the time you want this routine to happen. Choosing a specific time anchors the routine into your day, which increases the chance you'll follow through. If you leave the time off, the task will sit at the top of that day as an all-day item. Useful for flexible routines, but setting a time is better if you want a reliable habit. Placing routines in realistic windows, like a short slot before work or a wind-down block in the evening, keeps your calendar honest and prevents conflicts. Click Save to finish. You'll now see the task appear on that date, in your calendar, and in your task list. When you complete it, just check it off and it will clear from your schedule, keeping your day tidy and focused. To build out your daily routines, repeat this quick process. For each routine, you want to track on the days that make sense. Keep titles consistent, choose times you can actually protect, and leave small buffers before and after so you're not rushing. With this simple setup, your routine becomes visible, doable, and easy to maintain right inside Google Calendar.